So what Greg is doing here is drilling a hole for the root quencher for these fruit trees. He's going to be digging down to 22 inches so we can extend the root quencher fully. And that's going to bring water and nutrients to the roots of the fruit trees. So what Greg is doing now is he's extending the root quencher to its fullest depth of 22 inches. So directional plugs come with the root quencher to control the flow of water if you're planting it for one tree. Root quenchers do great in between two trees or in a section of trees and plants as well. The great thing about the root quencher is it's so easy to hook up. All you're doing is adding a T to your drip line, and you just need a couple of connectors to tap into your drip line and you're good to go. So the great thing in installing the Root Quencher Junior is that you really just need a trowel. It requires a 6-inch hole. Again, you just cut into the drip line, add a T, add a fitting at the Junior, and you're good to go. And then all you have to do is turn on your zone and adjust the water flow. And of course, with a drip system, you want to adjust the root quencher pretty low because you're going to typically run a drip system for 30, 45 minutes, even up to an hour, depending on what the overall needs are for soil.